Alright guys, so today I'm going to be replacing my rear shocks on my Dakota. I already did the passenger side, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the driver's side, which is the exact same as the passenger. So basically what you're going to do, well what I did, is take this nut off with this bolt, pound it out with a hammer typically, because I mean this is pretty rusty, so it's going to be in there. Once that's out, go up to those bolts up there and remove those. They do spin on you, so there's a nut on the top here you got to get on. These are 1/2 inch. This guy and this guy is 3/4. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get that done. And get you guys back whenever I'm done. Holy crap. Oh boy. This nut's gonna be stuck on there. Okay. Alright. Jesus Christ. Oh. Alright, so I got that bottom bolt out. Now it's time to work on the top ones. It already looks like one of them is already spun on me, so I'm going to have to get a wrench up there before I can try and get it out of there. But I'm going to try and show you guys the process here. Hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah, basically you're going to need a 1/2 inch socket and a 1/2 inch wrench. I need to find my 1/2 inch wrench. There we go. Okay, that worked. Much better than I thought it was going to. Okay, that guy's out. Now for the much more difficult one. Okay, well, I don't know how well this is gonna work. But we'll try our best. Yep, it's spinning. Wonderful. I might be able to just slide the shock out. Alright, we're not taking that one off because it's fairly gone. Alright, so here's a comparison of my old shock versus my new one. Obviously, the one on the left is the old one. If you look, you shouldn't be able to easily push that thing down. And it should shoot right back up, but it doesn't. So that's when you can tell you need new shocks. I definitely needed them because just looking at them you could tell that they're bad. I'm going to install this new one now and let you guys see how that goes. Alright, so now I'm installing the new shock. It's the complete reverse of what you just did. Mine's going to be kind of a pain because my bolt is spinning up there, but I'll figure it out. I'm going to set you guys down and get to work. Okay. I'm going to do the left side first because it's going to be the easier side, and hopefully I'll be able to get the right side as well. Work pretty well. Not gonna fully tighten it up until I get this side. If I can get this side. This is not looking too good. Maybe not. Well, worked good enough. Now I'm gonna go back to this side and cinch it up really good. Awesome. That's all put back together. Now we work on the bottom bolt. So I like to keep the strap on the shock so it's a little easier, so it doesn't extend all the way when you're trying to push it in there. I don't know where my socket went. There it is. 3/4 inch socket. So what we're gonna do, I don't know how I'm supposed to film this, but yeah, I'm gonna have to put you guys to. All right, so my perch is a little tighter than this guy wants it to be, so I'm going to open up that guy with a hammer, which I have right here. Basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna whack on one of these ears to open it up just a tad bit. You don't want to whack it too hard and break it. So I'm gonna try and do that, and then bring you back. So I've got it in there. I don't have the bolt in yet. So I still have that strap on there. It will be able to slide out of there once I cut it off. I'm gonna get that bolt in first. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's why I kept the band in there. Come on, where is? Okay. All right, we're all the way through. And I need to find my nut. There it is. Put it on there. And I'm gonna do this by hand, just because impact doesn't fit in there very nicely. It's starting to round off these guys, so I'm gonna see about. Oops. So that guy is in there, good. Now I can cut that band off. Got a little razor blade here. Just cut it, pull it out, and you're done. So there are shocks installed on my 1990 Dodge Dakota. Yeah, that's about it.